President Muhammadu Buhari don flag off the construction of Ogoni power project for Kana local government of Rivers State. The Presido wey virtually joined the groundbreaking ceremony of the Center of Excellence for Environmental Restoration and the Ogoni 100-bed specialist hospital con send a representative, the Minister of Environment Mohammed Abdullahi, today on ground on his behalf. Ogbonge sons and daughters of Ogoni land for Rivers State carry waka come out to witness the flag off of the three major projects wey President Muhammadu Buhari's administration don dey put for ground. These projects na the Ogoni Power Project, the Ogoni Specialist Hospital, and the Center of Excellence for Environmental Restoration. To the Ogoni people, the projects go help find solutions to environmental pollution, boost power supply, and strengthen the healthcare delivery for Niger Delta region.
Today we are here witnessing the flag off of this very, very important event, these three projects. You started your administration with the flagging off of the IPREP program, and we can observe you are closing your administration with the flag off of three very important projects that will bring life to that program, and we say thank you.
We are more than ever willing to create a conducive atmosphere for contractors engaged by the project to carry out various services for the project, be it remediation, livelihood trainings, or social services like the provision of potable water, construction of the Center of Excellence for Environmental Restoration, Ogoni Power Project, and the Ogoni Specialist Hospital. Like Oliver Twist, considering the global rise in inflation rates, we will, as a board, appeal for more funds. This will augment for whatever shortfalls inflationary trends have caused and enable the project to deliver more services to the people.
President Muhammadu Buhari, for his speech, con say the project, when it don't finish, go create more jobs for the people.
The Ogoni People Project, upon completion, will bring sustainability to the potable water schemes, livelihood programs, Center of Excellence for Environmental Restoration, and the Specialist Hospital projects being undertaken by the Hydrocarbon Pollution Remediation Project. It will also catalyze the socio-economic development of Ogoni land and create job opportunities for artisans and enhance entrepreneurial growth. The Ogoni Specialist Hospital will bring succor to those who over time have been exposed to hydrocarbon pollution and other elements associated with environmental pollution.
The actualization of the power project marks the beginning of the transformation of the socio-economic potentials of Ogoni land and increased agro-allied activities, hence returning Ogoni to its erstwhile status, the food basket of Niger Delta. It will also provide sustainable and affordable electricity to power cottage industries and households.
Before now, the people of Ogoni don dey fight for another source of livelihood, clean water, and the clean-up of their land sake of the environmental pollution wey dem dey see for the area. With President Buhari administration increased investment for the area, e sure say the project, when dem don finish am, go bring better life for the people of Ogoni. From Ogoni for Rivers State, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.